proper glowing. Get down that other side, John. Yeah. Is it going? It's blowing it out.
Blowing it, can you hear it? Yeah.
Yeah, it's blowing it through then. You can see
hear
it coming out.
Yeah. It is blowing through now. Like I say...
That is fucking glowing. Holy shit.
So I'd love to have got air going through it, because then...
Should I do another one? Should I put it on again?
Yeah,
Sorry,
yeah.
I thought there was more air in it, dude. Sorry.
It's alright, yeah, sure.
Valley, what are you doing? Stay there. Stay there. You daft dog. Come here. Come here. Valley. Going in. In. She's a daft dog. Hopefully that's cleared out that fucking DPF. Is it going through, John?
What?
Is it going through?
I don't know. Yes, it is.
Is it? Oh, watch your head, John. It's definitely going through.
Definitely going through it.
Right, guys, just blowed the air through, and the air's going all the way through now. So we're taking this off because it's done its regen. It's forced Regen.
Hell of a
Holy
regen.
shit, that is glowing.
Over here somewhere.
Holy fuck, you should see this thing on fucking camera. I've got to send that fucking
Do
John.
you think
Alex.
that's regen?
Yeah. John, watch the lawn.
Oh yeah, your grass. Kill your bloody grass off.
See, there's a piece of crap round here somewhere and I don't want to stand in it.
Where have we put it?
Yeah, just put on the concrete.
If we don't want to do it with a hose pipe or anything to cool it down.
No, you'll
You
fucking
need to-
damage it.
It's got to cool down slowly.
Gradually. Yeah,
But I definitely think that's regen.
definitely. Holy fuck. Let me just get your picture in there, John, with you holding it.
Go on.
Let's turn this. Even though I'm doing video. You're on video, ain't you, mate? You'll be on
right.
YouTube, dude. Excuse me. But that is definitely regen. Dude, that was a beacon. Jesus
I bet
Christ. Look at it on camera.
Yeah. God, yeah.
Fuck. You can see where the DPF is not inside.
Yeah, you can, yeah. Bring it over.
Nice. Starting to cool down a lot now. You can see it dropping.
It's going to take it hours to cool down.
Yeah, I know.
Once it gets colder, you can probably chuck a bit of water over it.
No, I'll just leave it until tomorrow, dude.
I was hoping we could get back on the car.
Well, you can do later after we've had a game. Right, we'll leave it there then and see what happens.
Yeah, we filled the pipe up for them. Crap.
Yeah, don't want to do that, do we?
So it's only the sensor pipe. It's alright, doesn't matter, it'll blow through.
Jump on the grass.
Yeah,
It's
thankfully
alright.
It's not killing.
Make sure I've not stood in any mines.
Yeah, I think your bar's finished.
Fuck me. Amy's going to go mental. I've totally fucked my... oh shit, look at the igniter button. It's just hanging.
Oh no. Oh, you don't need that, it just matches and...
Damn. We fucked this Barbie. It was bollocks anyway, it was fucking rusty.
I'm pretty sure it was... we definitely voided the warranty in it.
I think if we'd... I tell you what we'll do, after it's gone down, or after it's all gone out, the flames and that, we'll just rinse it off with a hose pipe and it'll be as good as new.
Fine, that's it.
Yeah, rinse
Yeah,
off with a
no
hose
one will
pipe,
ever
it'll
know.
be as good as new. She'll not even notice.
That's it. No one will ever know. Just chuck all these bits of wood on it to get rid of them, right?
Yeah. She'll never notice. I mean,
There's
there's the buttons. Holy cow. Chuck the bottle on there, John. Where's that gas bottle?
gas bottle.
Yeah, chuck on the flames, mate.
That'll fix it. That'll fix everything that way.
Great these lights are, aren't they?
Fantastic lights.
Hey, look at there. Look at the refresh rate, John.
Oh, is it strobing? Oh, nice. Oh, if it actually gets that on the recording, that'd be well good.
Yeah. Right, I think we're done on the video now. Just leave that done. The job's done. We've done what we need to do. Awesome.
Get a sweeping brush, dude.
Fucking hell, look, while that's been there, look, spiders fucking... While this has been here, while this has been stood extra uses to light it, a spider has knitted a cobweb right next to my propane bottle. Cheeky bastard. Well, it's good job we had lots of wood to do what we needed to do. Right, guys, look after yourselves, be safe. Look after yourself and, you know, whatever you're doing, don't try this. Don't try this at home, seriously. Not unless you want to destroy your Barbie.
Yeah.
Right, take care then, John Dragonman.
Aye.
Oh,
guys.
yeah.
See you.
And me to you, and you to me, and me to you. If I don't see you through the door, I'll see you through the window. Take care, guys, and I'll see you on the next vid. Yes!
See you guys.
No glowage, it's completely cool now.
Completely?
Yeah, we can go over and touch it.
Go and lick it.